You know when you just want to go to bed, but then all of this stuff just, comes up, and they're talking about deleting my account, Fun times, I guess. Who would have thought that telemarketers would have made it to freaking Steam? Honestly. And this guy reckons he works for Steam apparently. Even though it's kind of And apparently they've reported me for purchasing CSGO items using a fake visa. I don't even know what CSGO items are like. Anyway, I've just added this for a little bit of extra effect. Okay? I'm going to pull the ego route. We are about to see a live reaction. We are about to see what he says to this about me being an ego. So let's find out. He's literally trying this hard to get me to give him my purchase history when he has access. This is a lie. It is clearly photoshopped. So I've just decided to let him know, for courtesy's sake, that it is legal for me to distribute this conversation publicly, and that I've hinted that I will be doing so. So, yeah. So I guess now all I've got to do is upload this video so I can get him for malicious behavior. I feel like he's trying to steal my account and trying to fish out my information, so I'm gonna go with that. And then I'm going to do this, and I will put in my information here, and I guess I will keep you guys posted. But this is certainly fishy.